I'm an anteater, and I'm so hungry that while I'm talking to you, my stomach's talking to me. Oh, boy, what I wouldn't give for a night's...
I know, I'm an aardvark, and yet it's been 6 weeks since I last ate an ant. Go ahead, insult me, but if you want my own stomach, I disown you. Yeah.
Too spicy.
Oh!
I know, but I'm no good to either of us if I'm a leopard's lunch. Think, Aardvark, think! I know, I'm hungry too. Ooh, good idea. It's second helpings for you.
My, you have quite an appetite.
Well, I can never get enough crackers.
Quit growling, stomach. Lunch deal, pal.
This crash dieting thing isn't healthy.